Talleywackers. I'm getting some bait, so we're gonna go catfishing today. Me and my son and my dad. I think my brother might come out, but I don't know, on his own boat. A boat that he just bought, wants to test it out. But back here by Valley West Mall, right by the interstate, here in this ditch, it's a lot of chubs. Yep. I can't tell you how many times I've done this intro and went out fishing and didn't catch nothing. It never became a video, so we'll see what we can do. We answer that? It's my grandpa. But I'll get some chubs down there, same way I did last time in the chub video, and we'll get out of here. Well, we made it out here. Bennington boat ramp outside Runnells. Just got the boat in, and my son, we're waiting for my brother, and my son caught a drum off a worm. So that's good. As long as we catch some fish, when my brother gets here, we'll get out to a good spot and start catfishing.
Look at that.
Yeah, there's a lot of fish over there, bud. They've got some channel cat on their stringer already. Hopefully we catch some today. Some big ones.
Do you see the waves? The water comes down.
Yep, they've got quite a few on their stringer. Oh, you just put it back down in. Faster. No. Little Zebco 202 is going to pull whatever this is. I hope. I think it's a flathead.
That will count as my fish.
How did you caught one? He's scored 3. No, he's not. That's I've caught him on Henry's pole in the river before.
Whatever it is 5 pounds plus.
Wagers.
Oh, my dad has a weight.
I think it's a flathead by the way it hit. It's not rolling like a channel. This pole right here is in the way. No.
Probably a good thing you had the snag earlier and you retied your knot. Freaking night, caller. Nothing wrong with that. No.
I can't get him up. Oh, seen something. I seen something.
Get closer.
Seen a boil. Yeah, it's brand new too, with the line that came on it.
The line?
The line that came on it.
Oh, you know Zebco puts best on it.
Oh, popped off.
Dang it. You're shitting me.
No, little tiny hook.
Damn.
I'm guessing that was a flathead.
The way he stayed down.
Dang.
These are all of yours.
We'll get the next one. Well, we're gonna have to try that again with just a night crawler and a little worm. Well, that was exciting.
Well, Henry's got the big pole and worm and big hook.
Yeah, it was just fishing straight down behind the boat.
I found a
Night crawler and a tiny hook.
Finally!
All right, Oliver. Oh, he swallowed it.
Is it a catfish?
Yeah.
We got 2 big fish.
Little catfish.
Can I feel him?
He's horny, but oh, look how bad they just got done spawning. Look how bad his fins are.
What, he's a baby?
Yeah, he's a baby.
He's been fighting. His tail's messed up too.
That's why he has some blood around him. Is he gonna live?
I don't know. It's hard to see these things bite, just like the last one.
The whole thing? No. Okay.
Get it out. Hurry.
I got it out.
He's gonna live?
He might. I don't see him bleeding. Ah. Now he's got me in a bad position to horn me.
And then did it get you?
No, he's in a bad position too, though. Oh, I hate those.
I hate getting horned.
Oh,
Good job, Oliver. You're catching all the fish, buddy.
I'm so lucky. I already caught all the fish.
That big? Yeah, they're like this long.
Let's put another night crawler on there. Try the old garbage.
I can't believe I'm catching these with this night crawler.
I know. Night crawler works pretty good.
Yeah.
It's a good bait.
On my pole, I'm getting the lucky pole.
Mm-hmm.
Again.
They haven't started doing it. Well, you gotta come up with.
Hold on, let me get it down there.
Yeah, but they sell.
Put it in lock.
Farm pack.
Get it on the bottom first. And get it on the bottom first. There you go. Set it down and wait for another bite.
I'm getting so
Good
much.
job catching that
I
one.
already got 2 big fishies. So
Matter,
big.
man, you're catching them. Just be happy about
So
it.
this is 4 for Oliver and none for nobody else.
Mm-hmm.
Does he have something?
I see that.
That's a fish.
Yeah, he's okay.
Throw it on the floor.
Yeah, throw them over there.
Why do you need him?
Bait. He doesn't have any bait. Getting a bite?
I believe so.
I wanted to let him go.
I know, but he needs bait. That's the only one he's gonna keep.
I don't think I'm moving.
Okay. I don't want to
We are a little bit.
steal my
Don't like when people steal your fish?
Nope.
Yeah.
Get mad.
I like to keep them alive too. Oh, jerky's good. Did you get you a piece of? I got jerky too.
I had to put it back because I had a fish.
I got some jerky and bacon up here if you want some, Dad.
Yeah, that stink bait's so runny. I don't know if it stays on that well.
Not for long, does it?
I wanted to keep the fish alive.
Homemade jerky, deer, some venison.
I'll try a piece more of this.
I'm gonna try both of them.
Pull it out of his mouth.
Homemade bacon and the jerky. Something was on it.
Yeah, pull it right out of
We're gonna move spots.
Found fish?
No. Bunch of riprap.
Oh.
$750 boat. I don't think he got hurt. The floors are solid. It runs real good. Pretty clean for an old 79. Yeah, he didn't get hurt at all on that.
Oh, I thought. Well, so I speak English.
Got a bite on the worm. Missed him. He took your worm, Oliver. You're getting all the fish again.
Sure, this one's little.
You got one?
Big.
Little channel cat.
Oh, channel cat again?
Little channel cat.
Oh,
Boy,
that
he's
thing's little.
miniature.
You're a stinker, Oliver. Stop catching fish on this.
It's not my fault, boy. This is the luckiest day of my life.
So how many fish you got? 5?
Yeah, something like that.
Got about a
You're
gallon.
jealous, Dad? You're jealous.
I am jealous.
I can't.
At least somebody's catching some fish, though.
Close enough to get it
Pretty
back
close to
in
kicking your pole in the water. Happens, though. Got something. It's Oliver's again. This is his 6th fish. Nobody's caught anything else but Oliver on this pole.
I'm so lucky. Okay, let me do this.
Oh shit. Back.
What is it?
I don't know yet, bud.
Might need some experience behind it.
Keep on.
I think it's a drum.
Okay, we saw. Oh, what is it?
Big drum.
Oh dang! I keep on getting so many drums, and they're like ridiculously big.
3, maybe 2.
I can do it, Dad. I can do it.
I think you need some.
You gotta pull hard, bud. Don't reel yet.
Gotta wear them out a little more.
And then you dip it down and reel.
Okay.
Okay, here we go, real fast. Okay, stop reeling. Stop reeling.
Wow, he's
No,
big with
don't reel.
Oh dang! That's the biggest one. That's
Now
bigger
hold
than.
it. Stand back there and stand down there and hold the pole. Hold it up hard.
Hold it tight. Don't
Hold
let it go.
Hold it up hard.
Ready? Let's go. This is the big. Why am I getting so many fish? The big one. The best one.
a master angler.
I'm the master at. That's the biggest one.
Big old drum.
That's the biggest one, actually.
That's a good eater right
Oh,
Yeah, that's a good eater.
look at you, babe. Can someone take a picture? Oh, never. We don't need to take a picture. People will believe that you caught it. Put it away. Put it away.
Here. He'll live.
Dang.
You want to hold him?
Oh, that-
Picture.
no, it's okay. I don't want to take a picture.
You sure?
Yeah.
Say cheese.
now. Got it.
Okay, put it back in the water.
Okay.
I want it to die.
1 3/4 pound, probably.
I'm catching the best one.
You catch it. You caught all of them.
Yeah.
Too bad we didn't get that one in.
Yeah, I want to see that one.
It's hard saying with that. I bet it was a big drum.
I was so curious.
She's gonna be doing a lot of cleaning.
We're gonna move again. That boat's faster than mine. Stupid. I can. It's 100 horse. Same year as this, 79. This is a 70. 70 horse. Huh? Nothing? I'm not surprised that boat's faster than this one. It's 100 horse. It's 100 horse. Yeah, it must. What's it rated at? Same as this.
Hi, Talleywackers. Like a few seconds ago, I went in the water to cool down, and there's all these stupid bugs annoying me that I hate. So that's why I went in the water. It's kind of hard, and don't make fun of me because I had trouble gripping on the thing, and it's a funny way how my dad carries me out, but it's pretty relaxing.
Water temperature's good, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like there's no temperature to it.
Mm-hmm.
Bye, Talleywackers. Oh, hi, Talleywacker. Just in the water, man. Relaxing.
Does Joy use the name Tally?
No.
What are you doing?
Nothing. What are you doing?
Swimming. Relaxing.
Okay, she got a fish.
You did?
Unless that's bait.
Probably bait.
Oh, my hands are turning. It's starting to hurt now.
Are they? You getting tired?
Yeah. But I can still do it. Oh, this feels so good.
Yeah. We're gonna move. Ready to get out?
Oh, I thought he said, do you want it
I'll keep it. I'll stay in.
You gonna just hang on the side of the boat while I'm going down the river?
No.
Oh.
Why not?
We're gonna move. You wanna get your hair wet? It'll feel better. Dunk your hair back. There you go.
This feels way better.
You ready to get out?
Having fun still.
There's a log beating on the side of the boat.
Okay, I think I'm gonna get out. No, that's a bad view. Oh, my balls are breaking. Dad,
Yeah. We're gonna move to a different spot.
A different spot. You can't even catch anything. I already caught 6 fish.
Well, you don't have to rub it in.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, and you don't have to catch them all.
Y'all are so jealous.
Yeah, I wish I could catch a fish.
I caught 6, like the biggest ones. I'm the one who caught everything.
Yeah, every single fish so far.
My hair's already drying, kind of.
Yeah,
Same as yours.
you got nice hair.
My hair's curly and all that.
I like your hair.
You want it?
Yeah. Can't wait for it to grow out.
Yeah, I want to
really
be.
awesome.
I want to be like those people who like make people relax in those rainbow shirts. So I have like long hair. I look way better.
Yeah, kind of like a surfer.
Yeah. I want to be a movie star. I might be a stuntman when I grow up. Jackie was okay.
Yeah, Jackie Chan.
Yeah, he's like the best stuntman.
Yeah, he's pretty cool. All right, try this big old chub. Big one. Bleeding out his head because I think I'm squeezing him so freaking hard. Ah, man, that thing's ginormous. Huh? Look at the size of that chub.
Jesus Christ.
That's a big chub.
It's like 24 past this tree that's right here. Big full tree that's down.
Baby dragonflies are here.
Hopefully that one don't come out while I'm sitting here.
It's dead.
I'm just gonna get on the other side of the tree. Hopefully I don't end up in it. If I catch
We
one.
ended up in that other log jam up there because they put
I want you to
some cut bait on Henry's pole because he's rigged for big river. I'm wrong as it put it in a log jam. Either fish in here, you get snagged.
I think I might be in it. Might have misjudged that tree. Moving for the last time.
Is that pretty shallow over there?
Now, when the river's high, it's not shallow over there, but normally, yeah. All right, it's our last spot.
Close to that.
Toss Oliver's lucky pole out here because he seems to be caught 6 fish and nobody else has caught anything, so we're gonna toss it out there.
Go get the boat then, and it's dark, bud.
Well, I'm giving up. No fish. 6 fish for Oliver,
None for y'all.
0 for none of us.
Well, about has one.
We got skunked by an 8-year-old.
Yes, we did. Yeah, we're gonna try all the way home too. Yeah, we are.
Bye bye.
We're gonna go boo.
And I got a snag.
Wait, hold on, flat.
Bye, Grandpa.
Well, he gave me weight. I lost.
Bye. Bye, of course.
Bye. We'll see you at the boat ramp.
Bye,
I
Dad.
know.
We're going to the same place.
Bye, Dad.
Bye.
Yesterday at work, and I'm down to 165.
I guess we're heading back. Beat this dark. The darkness. There's a lot of people out here today. There's people over there. People over there.
Ain't nobody on that side though, is there?
No, they can't walk to that side.